In this video, you'll learn how to link your inventory with your order management using Fixeets. In the menu, click on Inventory Management. Here you can link your Fixeets inventory to your order management. If you don't have an inventory yet, you can download Fixeets Inventory. Once the inventory is linked from the Products tab, you can associate one or more items from your stock to each product. Once the items are associated, you'll find the available quantity for each product, and an automatic outbound will happen when you send a delivery to update your stock. You now know how to link your order management with your stock using Fixeets. Discover all our features and tutorials on our website and download Fixeets Orders.